So today I want to go over how to use launch control in a TRX. So I've seen quite a few videos even of recently of people having problems or either not knowing how to use launch control or launch control not working for them. So I wanted to do a quick video on how to use launch control because honestly, if you use launch control, it's actually pretty effective. So I'm going to go over that really quickly today and show you how it works. First thing I want to do really quickly is show you how to set up launch control or what works best for launch control. So your truck don't have to be running, but I'm going to put the ignition into run, bring up the drive modes, and you're going to want to hit race options. So we're going to go to race options, and it's already set to launch control, obviously. So you hit launch control, and the biggest thing you want to make certain is that your RPMs are not crazy high. I've seen people try to do it at like 3,000 or 2,200 RPMs or whatever, and that's not what you want to do with the TRX. Probably any Hellcat, I'm guessing. Too high of RPMs will just make too much power and try to push through the brakes. So try to keep your RPMs lower. What I've found is anywhere from 13 to 1,500 RPMs generally works great. I have had it up to 17, and actually that's kind of where my 0 to 60 started to drop, and my accelerations just weren't quite as good. So 13 to 15 is where I would definitely have this set, and now we're going to go try this in the real world and see how it works. I put this into sport mode. I have not really played around with the modes all that much to find out what works best and doesn't as far as for launch, but you know, that's what we're going to go in for right now. So put this in gear. Now hit your launch control button. You're going to have a screen come up, apply full brake pressure, apply full throttle. You can hear your engine go to that mode. So we are going to do this one more time. Hit launch, launch control ready, full brake pressure, full throttle, and then there you are. So the last 0 to 60, that was, according to the truck, a 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. So that wasn't too bad, but obviously didn't hit 100 miles an hour. But yeah, so that wasn't that bad, and so hopefully that'll help you if you own a TRX, or if you're going to. This is how you use launch control and actually get some pretty reasonable results with launch control. So it's a lot of fun, and I think that about sums it up.